Welcome to Free Funds Future, your go-to YouTube channel for expert financial advice, investment strategies, and tips to secure a prosperous future. Our mission is to empower you, our valuable viewers, with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions, master your finances, and build a solid foundation for long-term wealth creation. Join us on this exciting journey towards financial freedom and unlock the potential to turn your dreams into reality. Section 1. Embracing a mindset of abundance. At Free Funds Future, we believe that financial success starts with the right mindset. We emphasize the importance of cultivating an abundance mindset, where you view opportunities as limitless and believe in your ability to achieve your goals. We'll delve into techniques to overcome limiting beliefs, develop resilience, and harness the power of positive thinking in your financial journey. Section 2. Hustle, save, repeat. The key to financial success. We've all heard the mantra, hustle, save, repeat, and it holds true for anyone seeking financial freedom. We'll break down each element, starting with hustle. Learn how to identify your strengths, discover your passions, and leverage them to increase your earning potential. Our videos will provide practical advice on how to excel in your career, start a side hustle, or explore entrepreneurship to boost your income. Saving is the foundation of financial stability. We'll guide you through creating an effective budget that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Learn to distinguish between needs and wants, optimize your spending, and funnel your savings towards smart investments. Section 3. Debt management, breaking free for a brighter future. Before we can achieve financial success, we must address the burden of debt. Our debt management videos will equip you with strategies to tackle various types of debt efficiently. From credit card debt to student loans, we'll share proven methods for debt consolidation, negotiation, and repayment, helping you pave the way to financial liberation. Section 4. Investing for growth and wealth. Building wealth isn't just about saving, it's about investing wisely. Free Funds Future is your gateway to understanding the world of investments. We'll explain various investment vehicles, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, guiding you through the pros and cons of each. Our expert tips on diversification, risk management, and long-term planning will empower you to make sound investment decisions. Section 5. The power of compound interest and early investing. As a Free Funds Future viewer, you'll gain insight into the remarkable power of compound interest. We'll illustrate how starting early with your investments can exponentially grow your wealth over time. Our videos will feature inspiring success stories of individuals who achieved financial independence by harnessing the magic of compound interest. Section 6. Emergency fund and insurance, shielding your finances. Life is unpredictable, but you can prepare for unforeseen circumstances. We'll emphasize the importance of creating an emergency fund that acts as a financial safety net during tough times. Additionally, our insurance-focused content will guide you through understanding various insurance policies, ensuring that you and your loved ones are protected from unexpected events. Section 7. Avoiding lifestyle inflation and staying grounded. With increased income comes the temptation to indulge in lifestyle inflation. Free Funds Future encourages you to stay grounded and make conscious financial decisions. We'll share tips on managing lifestyle inflation while maintaining a healthy balance between enjoying the present and securing your future. Section 8. Reevaluating and adjusting your financial plan. The financial landscape evolves, and so do your goals. Our channel recognizes the need for periodic reassessment of your financial plan. We'll teach you how to adapt to life changes, refine your financial strategies, and stay on track toward your aspirations. Section 9. Celebrating small wins and staying motivated. Throughout your financial journey, celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, is crucial. Our motivational content will inspire you to stay committed, resilient, and optimistic about your financial future. The journey may have its challenges, but with our guidance, you'll find the determination to keep going. Conclusion. Your future, our focus. At Free Funds Future, we are dedicated to being your financial partner, in achieving your dreams. Our unique content, expert insights, and supportive community will serve as your guiding light towards financial independence. Subscribe to our channel today and embark on a transformative journey to a free funds future. Together, let's embrace the hustle, save wisely, repeat our winning strategies, and create a bright and prosperous future.